How to connect Shopify with AliExpress full guide. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can connect your Shopify store to AliExpress. Now, we all know AliExpress as the supplier for a lot of dropshipping stores, and it allows you to find some amazing products. So if I search for a lamp, I could probably find something under $10, which is unreal. And this is because AliExpress directly, connects you to the manufacturers. But getting AliExpress products on your Shopify store is not an easy task because AliExpress does not have a direct connection that you can build with your Shopify store. Instead, you're going to have to go through a third-party platform called DSers. DSers is a dropshipping tool which allows you to connect your Shopify store to AliExpress. So let's get started. Now, the first step is to create your AliExpress account. So for that, you're going to go on to AliExpress, click on sign up, and you're just going to sign up to create your account. Once you've done that, you're going to click on settings on the bottom left of your Shopify store. Once you click on settings, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see apps and sales channels. Click on your Shopify App Store. Once you click on your Shopify App Store, you're going to search for DSers. Once you search for DSers, you're going to find this application. So DSers should be developed by DSers. It is free to install, and you're going to click on install over here. Once you click on install, this will install the DSers application onto your Shopify store, and you're going to have to enable it. So you're going to click on install once more to complete the installation process of DSers. And once you do that, your DSers account, just like that. So it has now asked me to log in and authorize on my DSers account. If you don't have an account already, you're going to sign up. And to sign up, all you have to do is have a valid email address. You don't need to have any other verifications for signing up on DSers. And I'm going to click on login and authorize because I want to use this account that I've logged into on DSers. So you guys can see I'm having to reconfirm my login. And once I do that, my login and authorize is going to be proceeded. And the next step is to connect your Shopify store to your DSers account. So you're going to click on confirm over here. Once you click on confirm, your DSers account has now been connected to your Shopify store. You'll see you will have a pop-up on the right which says synchronization successful. Now, if you scroll down on DSers and click on settings and click on sales channel settings, click on store management, click on Shopify, you will see your current Shopify store. So this is my Shopify store. Now it's time to get started with actually taking AliExpress products, finding them on DSers. So in this, you will see on DSers, you have a tab on the left called Find Products, and this basically displays AliExpress to you. And if you go on to AliExpress and you like a certain product, so let's say I like this product here, I'm going to open it up. I'm going to copy the item title. So I'm just going to copy it as it is, go back into DSers, and I can type in my keywords. Or I can take a screenshot of the product from AliExpress and I can find it over here as well. So we're just going to wait for this. And as I am searching for the product, I'm just going to have to search for this again. And you guys can see it also is going to show you a supplier optimizer where you can directly paste in a link, which I'm going to do for this product because I just want to find the same product or a similar product. And I'm just pasting that link, and DSers is going to find me the best value or the best possible price on AliExpress. So you guys can see it has quite a few different listings and ratings. I want to go for whatever is the least price. And I think I'm just going to go with this one, which is $7 to $17. Once I click on it, it's actually going to display to me the product, and I can select, the different variants that it has. And we have, this white one and this golden one as well. And I think this looks nice. So I'm just going to click on over here, which is add to import list. Once I click on add to import list, I'm going to click on confirm to add this to my import list. Now, when you add a product to your import list on DSers, it doesn't mean that it has been directly added to your store. It means you're going to find it on the left where it says import list. And from there, you can customize how you want items to appear on your Shopify store. Now you guys can see I've selected some items in the past as well, which I'm going to confirm and delete, and instead we're going to be focusing on this lamp over here. Now for this lamp, I want to push it to my store, but I want to make the listing appear far more luxurious. So you're going to click on Edit Product on the bottom left. Once you do that, you're going to start altering the title. Now, for a quick detection of AliExpress products, we usually see these super long titles which are filled with keywords. Although these are great for people that are searching for products, but if people are coming to your store, you want a different experience. So I'm going to call this my Sienna Feather Lamp. And then we have the reference weight and dimensions. We have our Shopify store. Within our Shopify store, we can add it to certain collections. We can add the tags we want to apply. We also can add a vendor and a URL handle. Then the next step is to choose the variants that you want to sell, because you might not want to sell all of the variants. Now, I don't want to sell the cheaper variants. I only want to sell these two variants. So what I can do is I can just select these two from here, and I can move on towards the next step. Now, first, I'm going to have to either delete the other two. I'm going to select the other two, click on delete, click on confirm. Then I have my product cost, my shipping cost, my total cost, and then the price. So then we have the compare at price as well. I'm going to click on edit options, ships from China. I'm going to keep it as it is, but the price is a bit too low for me. I want a larger profit margin. So I'm going to be marking up the price to $25 for each lamp. And I have a 21% profit margin. Then I'm going to go into the description and we can get started with customizations here. So it has this large header called specifications, which I'm going to remove. Then we have the brand name, the luminous flux, the bulbs included, origin, China, DC. I'm going to remove some of the unnecessary information. So we're going to remove that, and we're going to remove all the extra information that we do not need. So over here in descriptions, usually in AliExpress products, they also have images added. So I like to remove all the blank space within descriptions and keep them as simple as possible, like so. And we're just going to scroll to make sure that everything looks nice. If you want, you can directly just click on AI on the top right and adjust the product description as it is. So we can click on AI generation here and use the AI generated content. And you guys can see we have, a couple of different options in this. I'm just going to copy this one and I'm going to click on paste over here like so. Now, after that, I'm going to click on save, and the compare at price should be greater than my original price. So the compare at price, I'm going to set at $30 for both of the products. And then I have my product images. So I'm going to remove the images of the two variants that I removed. I'm only going to keep the images of the variants that I want to keep. I'm just going to select the ones that I do want to keep, like this, and then click on save. Once I've done that, I'm going to click on push to store, and then I have my store publishing options, and then I'm just going to click on push to store over here. Once I do that, my item is now being pushed to my store, and just like that, we can connect AliExpress to our Shopify store and add products from AliExpress to our Shopify store. You guys can see my lamp has been added. This is what the listing looks like on my Shopify store directly from AliExpress. So it looks really nice and simple, and just like that, we can easily have our own products be added. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.